The 2026 BMW M8 Competition Gran Coupe represents the pinnacle of BMW's engineering and design, blending exhilarating performance with luxurious sophistication. As the four-door iteration of the M8 Competition, this high-performance Grand Tourer offers breathtaking speed, cutting-edge technology, and an exquisite driving experience that caters to both thrill-seekers and luxury enthusiasts alike. The exterior of the 2026 BMW M8 Competition Gran Coupe is a perfect blend of aggression and elegance. The front fascia features BMW's signature kidney grills, now larger and more sculpted, with a blacked-out mesh pattern that enhances the vehicle's sporty demeanor. Slim, laser-powered adaptive headlights flank the grille, providing exceptional illumination and a striking presence. At the rear, the signature quad exhaust system emits a ferocious growl, complemented by sleek OLED taillights that provide a futuristic aesthetic. The M8 Competition Gran Coupe rides on 21-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, ensuring maximum grip and handling precision. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW M8 Competition Gran Coupe is powered by an upgraded 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This powerhouse now delivers an astonishing 650 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most potent vehicles in BMW's lineup. The power plant is mated to an 8-speed M-Steptronic automatic transmission with paddle shifters, providing lightning-fast gear changes and seamless acceleration. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system comes standard, offering dynamic handling characteristics with the ability to switch between AWD and a rear-wheel drive mode for those who crave a more engaging driving experience. The car launches from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.0 seconds, with a top speed electronically limited to 190 mph when equipped with the optional M-Drivers package. Enhancing its performance credentials, the M8 Competition Gran Coupe features adaptive M suspension with electronically controlled dampers, an active M differential, and carbon ceramic brakes for superior stopping power. The M Dynamic mode allows for greater slip and controlled oversteer, giving skilled drivers an exhilarating track experience. The 2026 BMW M8 Competition Gran Coupe is the ultimate fusion of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. With its breathtaking power, refined interior, and state-of-the-art driving dynamics, this high-performance four-door coupe redefines what it means to drive a Grand Tourer.